अंत में सबके साथ में करूंगा। अभी भगवत गीता का
जी
पाठ
गुरुदेव, जी गुरुदेव।
तो
जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री
कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्ण, जय
ओके,
श्री कृष्ण।
तो अभी हम
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण
अरे सारे गोपाल नहीं रो
कृष्ण
रहे।
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे हरे,
कृष्ण हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे
हरे
हरे।
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण
ओके,
कृष्ण
देखो
कृष्ण
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 हरे
हरे हरे,
हरे,
हरे
हरे
राम
राम
हरे
हरे
राम,
राम
राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण
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 हरे
हरे हरे, हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम
राम,
अब मैं एक
हरे
बार संग्राम
राम
करना चाहता हूँ।
राम
कौन रहा रे?
राम राम
ध्यान से पढ़ो सब।
हरे। अब हमें पाठ पाठ प्रारंभ करना चाहिए। अब
जी
हमें
गुरुवर, काफी 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 समय बीत चुका है।
अभी देखो हम लोग टेक्स्ट 16 में देखो थे।
गुरुवर, हमारे एक मित्र वीरेश शुक्ला आना चाहते हैं, कृपया उन्हें आने की अनुमति दें।
हाँ हाँ,
विक्रांत वैभव ये भी भक्त हैं। भक्त मंडली में
आपका स्वागत है
विक्रांत से कुछ
पर
बात कर
गुरुदेव
लो सब
हमने
लोग।
हमने
विक्रांत से बात कर लो।
माय डियर
हमने वो
अर्चना,
हमने उस बात को कंप्लीट नहीं किया, वो मंदिर बनाने वाली बात को।
वन हु डज नॉट फॉलो इन
उत्सव
ह्यूमन
भाई,
लाइफ
तुम्हारे मंदिर बनाने वाली बात को कृपया
गुरुवर
करके
गुरुवर
पूर्ण
पर
करो।
मृगांक
पाठ
मृगांक
पढ़ाने
भाई,
दो,
गुरुवर ने
फिर उस पर चर्चा किया जाएगा।
गुरुवर ने
हाँ
कथा को प्रारंभ कर दिया। मृगांक भाई,
हाँ,
गुरुवर आप
माय
अपना
डियर
बोलिए।
अर्चना, वन who does not follow in human life the cycle of sacrifice thus established by the Vedas only leads a life full of sin. Living only for the satisfaction of the senses, such a person lives in vain. मतलब अभी भगवान बोल रहे हैं कि one's life, okay, one's human form of life, the human form of life meant for yajna or sacrifice. What sacrifice? That is in the loving service of, in the loving service of Lord, in the loving service of Lord Krishna.
गुरुवर, हमारे एक मित्र वीरेश जी आना चाहते हैं। कृपया आप
हाँ हाँ,
उन्हें
जरूर
आने
जरूर
की इजाजत देंगे?
जरूर जरूर। हाँ,
अच्छा, तो
वो आएंगे तो मैं जरूर। ओके,
जी 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 जी
तो
गुरुवर, जी गुरुवर।
हाँ, तो ह्यूमन फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ बोल रहे हैं कि दिस शुड बी, एंड द सैक्रिफाइस मीन्स दिस इज द सैक्रिफाइस. Sacrifice or yajna means in today's world to utilize our human form of life in the loving service of Lord Krishna. Okay.
गुरुदेव जैसे इसमें लिखा है ह्यूमन फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ, तो क्या गुरुदेव और भी अलग अलग तरह का हमारा जीवन होता है क्या?
हाँ, we are going through a cycle of 8 lakh, I mean 84 lakh species, 84 lakh species of life. We are going
ये जो
through
मनुष्य
this whole
जीवन है वो
human.
कितने नंबर पे आता है गुरुदेव?
8,40,000 के बाद।
हाँ, it is like a transmigration through different bodies.
यस।
We are
विपुल कुमार, आपका स्वागत है।
तुम्हारा।
this chance
हमारे
to go
भक्ति में
from,
आपका स्वागत है विपुल कुमार।
okay,
हरे
one body
कृष्ण,
to
हरे
another,
कृष्ण।
and
कृष्ण
then when
कृष्ण
we
हरे।
finally reach the human form of life, we should walk in such a way that we should be able to engage in the loving service of Lord Krishna. That is the that is what God is telling. Okay, one who does not follow in human life the cycle of sacrifice thus established by the Vedas certainly leads a life full of sin. Living only for the satisfaction of the senses, such a person lives in vain. What happens if he does not engage in the loving service of Lord Krishna? Then finally, again there will be death, again rebirth. In this way, it will continue. Same thing again and again it will continue. But what
Yes.
will continue? See, what we are doing till now, what we are doing first, we are getting birth, then we are continuing little bit some growth, then again we are at some point it is declining and we are dying, death. Then again we are going for rebirth and again growth, death. This cycle of unnecessary things is happening again and again. Okay, we should now, having learned the science of self-realization, we should not allow this unnecessary, unnecessary creating of history again and again. We should take this. We should take. Okay, we should take this and stop this cycle of birth and death. Why? What is the reason? Because main reason is that if you are taking birth or death, when we are taking birth or death, unlimited pain and sorrow. Similarly, at death, unlimited pain and sorrow. And then within this, we have again in the human form, we have so many diseases. Okay, we have then old age, which is this full of again unlimited pain and sorrow. This cycle of birth and death, we should now, having got this real knowledge, we should check this. We should stop this cycle of birth and death, which
Because
consists of unlimited pain and sorrow.
क्या तो मित्र क्या आप चैट में लिखो?
It is estimated that the
गलती
amount
से
of
मत।
pain, okay, and the
Yes,
amount
sir.
of pain is also calculated. How much amount of pain we are suffering, that is also calculated. That is calculated by if thousands of scorpions, अगर हजारों बिच्छू अगर एक साथ में बाइट करेंगे, बाइट एट वन टाइम, एक साथ में सारे हजारों बिच्छू अगर बाइट, कितना पेन होगा, उतना उससे भी ज्यादा पेन होता है बर्थ के समय में, डेथ के समय। अनलिमिटेड पेन, क्योंकि डेथ में तुम अपने सगे संबंधों से बिछड़ रहे हो, ऊपर से शरीर में मतलब इतना पेन हो रहा है, अनलिमिटेड पेन ऑन सरो। सिमिलरली बाढ़ जब तुम छोटे थे अपने
कुंवर, एक बिच्छू के डंक में कितना दर्द होता है?
हाँ, बिच्छू के जो हजारों बिच्छू डंक मारते हैं तो एक समय में जितना पेन होता है उससे भी ज्यादा पेनफुल है बर्थ और डेथ। और ये सब किस लिए? ये अननेसेसरी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग at last what we are doing here in this art, we are creating unnecessary history. Unnecessary, we are increasing the history of ourselves. The same eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. Same thing we are repeating again and again. These four activities mainly we are repeating again and again. We are repeating unnecessarily, we are increasing the history again and again. Rather, what we should do, our scriptures say that once we got this human form of life, we should stop the cycle of birth and death. We should engage ourselves in such a way that we should stop the cycle of birth and death. How? By surrendering to Lord Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Because Krishna is the one, he is called as Mukunda. Krishna is called as Mukunda Madhava. Madhava means one who delivers from the cycle of birth and death. Okay, Madhava means one who delivers from the cycle of birth and death is called Madhava. Only Krishna is able to stop the cycle of birth and death for us. If we surrender to him, if we obey his instructions, if we follow his rules and regulations, then we should be able to stop the unnecessary creating history for ourselves. Again, doing same thing again and again, repeating again and again. Okay, so we should have this common sense that we should now stop the cycle of birth and death. Now, for one other reason, this is very important. Let me give you that reason also. Okay, very important reason is that this is Kali Yuga, and it just started 5,000 years back. Okay, now we are at this position where we just completed 5,000 years of Kali Yuga, and we have again total duration is 4,32,000 years. Okay, and you can see how much the quarrel has increased among people. Kali Yuga, how much the influence of Kali Yuga, how much quarrel you can see from the quarrel happening in day-to-day life. Okay, the son is quarreling against his parents, the wife is quarreling against the husband. So much of quarrel is existing just in 5,000 years. Okay, and there is more this much years to go. And after 10,000 years, suppose this is 10,000. After that, people will not believe in God. People now somewhat people believe in God in this phase, but in this phase, people will forget God. Somebody's mic is. Can you mute yourself? I think somebody's mic is on. Can you mute yourself? Somebody whose mic
Mrigank,
is.
Mrigank. Please mute yourself, Mrigank. Thank you, Mrigank.
Okay, so now till it is said that till 10,000 years of Kali Yuga, people will somehow have some God consciousness. But after 10,000 years, then you cannot have God consciousness. People will not believe in God. People will not have any inkling of God. Okay, at that time, what you will do? You cannot escape this cycle of birth and death, and you have to rot in this material world. This is so much important because this is the Kali Yuga. Okay, in Kali Yuga, after some time, people will forget God. Now also people have forgotten God, but you know, I have seen personally around 20 to 30 years back how people used to believe in God. You can see the old films, old movies, how people have so much self-respect for each other, how people used to believe in God. Okay, but I personally have seen how the world was 20 to 30 years back and how much the world has changed over these 20 to 30 years. People have lost sense about God. Okay, and so after 10,000 years, there will be no one will no believe in God. Then what will this life become? This life will become like a hell. So we have got this much time to, I mean, we should utilize this life itself to go back to where we actually belong, back to Godhead. We should go back to Godhead. Back to where Krishna lives. Okay. So that this for this reason also we need to take this seriously. Okay. So that's what I was telling now. Now, so, but for one who takes pleasure in the self, whose human life is one of self-realization, and who is satisfied in the self only, fully satiated, for him there is no duty. Okay, so one whose life is meant for self-realization, he has nothing to do. Who self-realization means one who is engaged in the service of Lord Krishna. That is the best form of self-realization. Okay, self-realization means knowing that one is part and parcel of Krishna. Knowing that one is part and parcel of Krishna. And if one knows that he is part and parcel of Krishna, he must engage in the service of Krishna. This is self-realization. Okay, for him there is no material duty. That means, but his duties will be there. No duty means it is not that it is saying about no material duties, but there will be certainly more advanced duties, that is spiritual duties. For him, there will be spiritual duties. To engage, like to chant the name of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, to prepare prasadam, to serve the devotees. Okay, in this way, there are several spiritual duties. One will be engaged in spiritual duties. Okay. So a self-realized man has no purpose to fulfill in the discharge of his prescribed duties, nor has he any reason not to perform such work, nor has he any need to depend on any other living. Okay. For him, for example, a person who is self-realized, or he is God conscious, Krishna conscious person, Krishna conscious person. It is not that he will not go to office. It is not that he will not go to office. No, he will go to office, do his duties. But at the same time, he will engage in the loving service, of Lord Krishna. He will go to office, he will do his duties, but at the same time, he will engage in the loving service of Lord Krishna. Okay, so that is what he, okay. Therefore, without being attached to the fruits of activities, one should act as a matter of duty, for by working without attachment, one attains the Supreme. Okay, so he can go to office, earn salary, use the some amount of salary in the service of Lord. That means he is not who attached to the fruits of his labor. And he is using the same in the service of Lord Krishna. Okay. So, king such as Janaka attained perfection solely by performance of prescribed duties. Therefore, just for the sake of educating the people in general, you should perform your work. Who is Janak Maharaj? Janak Maharaj is the father of Sita Devi. Sita Devi is none other than Lakshmi, Ma Lakshmi. Okay, so one who is elevated devotee. Okay, he should work for guiding the people in the right direction, for guiding the common people in right direction. That means to make the people Krishna conscious. In that way, he should work to lead the people in the right direction. Okay. Because whatever action a great man performs, common men follow. And whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues. That is, the any example set by a great person, like elevated devotee, is followed by common people. Therefore, one who is an elevated devotee, he should work in such a way that he becomes an example for other common people to follow. Like just now I have told the example of Maharaj Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj was such an exalted devotee. He used to engage all his senses in the service of Lord Krishna. Eyes to see the beautiful picture of Radha and Krishna in the altar or in the temple. Ears to hear the kirtan and katha of Lord Krishna. Nose to smell the flowers offered to Lord Krishna. Tongue to taste the Mahaprasad offered, bhoga offered to Lord Krishna. Touch or skin to rub against the devotees of Lord Krishna. Hands to clean the floor of the temple of Lord Krishna. Legs to go to the temple of Lord Krishna. He engages all his senses and all his bodily arms, legs, etc. in the service of Lord Krishna. So he sets an example for others to follow. Similarly, King Janak Maharaj. Okay. So as not to disrupt the minds of ignorant men attached to the fruitive results of prescribed duties, a learned person should not induce them to stop work. Rather, by working in the spirit of devotion, he should engage them in all sorts of activities for the gradual development of Krishna consciousness. Okay, a learned person or a exalted devotee should not be such that he will say to others, you stop work now and you engage in the service of Lord Krishna, or you don't do anything. In this way, he will not say. He will slowly and steadily, he will uh, uh, tell the message of Krishna. Not that he will say that you immediately you stop your activities, you stop attachment to the fruits of stop attachment to salary, or do work for only Krishna, give up your job, give up this, that. No. Okay, one should not disrupt the minds of ignorant men who are mainly attached to the fruitive results. A man, when he goes to office because at the end of the month he needs salary. He is attached to the salary because with the help of that money he wants to buy some food or something for himself or for his family. That's why he goes to work every day to the office. But a learned person should not induce them to stop work. If you say to stop going to the office and you go to the holy place and engage in the service of Lord, that will not be so good taken. You will not be taking it so nicely. But you should engage him in all sort of activities. For example, for the office going people, you can send for some of your friends for going to office, you can send some kirtan in the mobile so that he can, in his free time, he can listen to the kirtan, or you can give him some prasad. You can give him some prasad to eat. Okay, so that he will be. That means he will not be disrupting his mind, but he will be pleasing to him or her. Okay, for the gradual development of Krishna consciousness, even if you give him prasad, that prasad will help him to achieve God consciousness or Krishna consciousness. That prasad alone, you can give easily. You can buy some prasad and give something to him or her, your friend. In that way, you can slowly and steadily, you can engage the ignorant people.
हेलो गुरुवार
हाँ, yes. Any
गुरुदेव
question?
हम कहना चाहते हैं कि ऐसा उचित होता कि हम यहाँ से कल स्टार्ट करते क्योंकि ज्यादातर हमारे मित्र चले गए हैं
क्या स्टार्ट कर दें?
तो गुरुदेव हम कल यहीं से प्रारंभ करते हैं फिर
क्या 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 प्रारंभ करोगे?
नहीं नहीं गुरुदेव मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि कल कल फिर से यहाँ मतलब यहाँ से प्रारंभ करते हैं आज के लिए बस इतना ही रहने देते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ओके, वी शुड स्टॉप हियर.
जी गुरुदेव
अच्छा, ओके, सो कल कल फिर इसी टाइम पे मिलेंगे.
वही 3 बजे गुरुदेव
ठीक है.
ठीक है गुरुदेव
Okay, so I think okay. So all of you understood this point till we have stopped. We have talked till 26. Test 26 will start from next test 27. Okay,
हम्म
and then we'll complete this tomorrow. This chapter 3. Okay, Karma Yoga, very important. You can look at this.
जी
The link I'm sharing it to you all. Okay, you can look at this, and we will be continuing this tomorrow. Okay.
जी गुरुदेव धन्यवाद गुरुदेव कल फिर मिलते